All right, now how would you describe Thomas Middleditch in that scene? Evil or paternal? It's time to vote. Evil or paternal? Everybody's voted on that side? Everybody has voted on this side. Okay, so let's take a look at the results. All right, okay, 76. All right, so I'm gonna start with this side. This side of the room, 76% of you said that Thomas looked paternal, correct? Tiffany, do you agree?
Hell no.
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 He looks evil to you?
Hella evil. Conniving.
Okay, you know what? I have a feeling I know what might be going on right now because you're not alone. Because on this side of the room, let's see the graphic, please. Oh, whoa. So 81% of the people on this side of the room said that Thomas looked evil.
Yeah, because they saw that. They saw how he was looking with the stuff.
Okay, all right, okay.
They know.
All right, so I'm gonna let everybody in on a little secret. You all saw the exact same shots of Thomas. Everybody, okay? What was different were the clips you saw right before his smile. So some saw a mom with a baby, while the rest of you saw this.
Yep.
Yeah, that's what you saw.
That's what I saw.
That's what you saw.
That's what I saw.
Not conniving, but conniving.
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 Okay.
Yes.
So what's going on here? 3 words. The Kuleshov effect.
Who?
Kuleshov.
Who that is?
That, I'm gonna tell you right now, watch this. That is the term for an editing technique that filmmakers use to manipulate how the viewer perceives a scene.
Our brains have the ability to make snap decisions about other people's behaviors and moods based on what we observe in their facial expressions, as long as those expressions are seen in a larger context. Russian filmmaker Lev Kuleshov believed that he could change an audience's interpretation of a character's emotion if he manipulated the context. Editing images can evoke a particular emotion, but does editing sound impact our brain in the same way?
You'd be amazed by how much of what you hear in a movie is not what it appears to be. Brain Game's own science correspondent, Cara Santamaria, took a trip to a movie studio to explore the science of movie sound.
Dan O'Connell is a Foley artist who creates live sound effects. Without realizing it, you've heard his work in blockbusters like Pirates of the Caribbean, Avengers Endgame, and Jordan Peele's thriller Us, the story of a family terrorized by their evil doppelgangers.
This place is incredible. It looks kind of like a flea market, but we're actually on a movie studio lot.
It is organized, strangely enough. I know it doesn't look like it.
Every single object in this room is sort of a self-made tool to sound like something else?
Yes. Nothing you see on screen is really what it is. So we have to kind of make it up.
Why are our brains so easily manipulated by sound? We can't help associating sounds with our own memories because the auditory cortex is involved in the creation of those memories. Every sound we hear comes with its own emotional triggers based on our own experiences. Foley artists are skilled at using props to mimic those sounds, which enhances our engagement in a movie by triggering our own memories and associations. Dan gives me a chance to do some Foley, working on scenes from Us. Many of the sounds you hear, especially scary ones, travel from the theater speakers to your brain's amygdala in milliseconds. Sound is an essential element in establishing the environment and mood of films.
Pretty good.
Nice job. That was awesome. That was great. That was great.
Cara just gave us a glimpse into how Foley artists work behind the scenes. In fact, I'm gonna go out on a limb, and I'm gonna bet that even a veteran actress like our friend Tiffany here can't identify what's behind certain sounds. This is an experiment we call Fooled by Foley. Now we're gonna play a movie clip that features a particular sound and see if you can guess what the Foley artists actually used to make the sound of running.
Okay.
Okay, all right? So here's the clip. Okay, all right. So Tiffany, what do you think they used to make the sound of him running? Was it magnetic recording tape, shredded cabbage, cheerleader pom-poms, or actual grass?
gonna go with shredded cabbage because I have run on shredded cabbage before. Long story, but just know that I know that sound.
Here's the thing. I 100% believe you, so that's good. Okay, let's see if you're right.
That looks like cheerleader
Is it
pom-poms.
pom-pom?
And you know what? If I would have thought about it a little bit harder,
Yeah.
you know what I'm saying? Because I used to run on cheerleaders pom-poms. I was like, oh, she thinks she better than me.